Hi guys, welcome back to Kids Draw, a place where kids come to draw. And today we're going to be drawing a mermaid for Mermay. All right, so I hope you have something to draw with and something to draw on. We've got some cardstock paper here. It's a little thicker stuff, but you really can use anything with a blank spot. And we're going to use probably some markers just so that our drawings show up best. So get something to draw with and something to draw on and join us for Mermay. That's right. All right. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to lay out our mermaid's face. And we're going to start with the letter U on the top half of our page, right about in the middle. We're going to do a nice big U like that. Yeah, right in there's great. Put your other hand on your page if you need to keep it steady. All right, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to do the hair. And we're going to start down here on the side of our face. We're going to curve up and touch right at the top of our face. Then we're going to curve that down and back up to the other side. All right, now we're going to go ahead, and from there, we're going to make a big swoop, a big curved line over the top, like that. A big swoop around and touch right back where we started. Perfect. All right, we're going to do a couple little lines on that just to make it seem like hair. So just a couple curved lines out, yeah, and maybe one on the other side like that. And when I do those curved lines, I press down and I kind of swoop with my wrist and I lift up kind of as I go. It's kind of fun to do. All right, now we're going to go ahead and do the top of the head. So we're going to pretend this line goes through here. That's what we call overlapping. Yeah. All right, and we're going to come around the top and back in on the other side. Kind of like a hat. And you might want to do one more line. Start here and then just curve up to there, kind of a curved line. Yeah, you want it to be nice and round there. Perfect. All right, and then we're going to do the other side of the hair. We're going to have that just come down like that. Yep, you could start on the outside. Yeah, your outside curve. And then right back into the face. Perfect. And that's going to be the hair. All right, so let's draw some eyes now. Now this swoop of hair is going over top of the eyes. So we're going to just do a line and a line. I would do over here, near the edge. Yep. And then one more on the other side, a line and a line. So start in the middle. Yep, and then don't do them too long. Those are going to be the eyes. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to do a line across on the bottom. That's where the eyes are going to be. Perfect. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to do a little circle there, or at least a little part of a circle. Yep, on both of them on the same side. Yep. And then we're going to go ahead and color most of that in. We're going to leave a little bit of white. Like that. Ooh, it looks mysterious.
Yeah, mine does.
Yeah. So right there. Yep, leave a little bit of white space. Yeah, and the same thing on that side. Good. And go up to the hair. So you want this to be like that and color in all that space. Perfect. All right, now we're going to give our mermaid a little nose. Just a little curved line. And then a little smile like that. Just being very mischievous. So it's a curved line up. You want to do a different smile?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead, do a different smile. Yeah. You can be as creative as possible. I love drawing because all of your creativity can come out. All right, let's give our mermaid some arms. So I'm going to start over here on the side of the face. I'm going to do a diagonal line out like that. Yep. And I'm going to do one on the other side as well. And then I'm going to put a little bump like a W. Bump. And on the other side, I'm going to start outside and go inside on that one. Yep. So start bump. Perfect. All right. And then this is going to come up. It's going to come up next to that, but it's not going to touch it. So it's going to go up and stop. And the same thing on the other side. Start with the inside line, up and stop. And then we're going to connect those two together. I'm going to do a curved line to connect those. Kind of like on the chin.
Can you do it straight?
Yeah, you can do a straight line if you want. All right. And then we're going to do a little bit of a straight line down. Maybe it comes in a little narrower at the bottom. Yeah. 1, and on the other side, 2, and a curved line to connect that. Beautiful. All right, we're going to do a line right down the middle like this. And then we're going to do a curved line on either side. Curve and a curve. Yep, they should be about the same size. And then those are going to come in to the bottom of that line. Yep. All right. Now that's going to be where the bottom part of our mermaid comes to the top. What's the bottom part of the mermaid?
The tail.
The tail. That's right. They don't have legs, right? So we're going to go ahead and we're going to do a big J line. Ready? We're going to start right at the end. We're going to curve down and back. And I'm going almost down to my bottom of my page. Yeah. All right. Now the next line is going to come in between these two.
Mm-hmm.
It's right here, and it's going to curve out and then back in like that. Yeah. All right. You actually went a little farther than I was going to go, but that's fine because that's what we're going to eventually do. So leave it just like that. And then we're going to connect those two with a round line. Yep. And that's going to be the bottom of our mermaid's tail. And so we can do this. We can put a couple little U lines on there for like scales. Yep, make sure they're a nice big U line. And I'm going to do one here on this part of the tail. And it's going to actually kind of bump up because this all curves. So if the U line goes this way, then imagine it goes that way. Yeah, that's right. They would curve. Okay, now let's do the rest of the tail. We're going to do a line right out of the back. All right. Now we're going to do a curved line on this side, and yours might bump right into there. That's fine. All right, and we'll just come down here, and we're going to do a curved line up. Yep, start right there, curved line up. And then on the other side, we're going to do a curved line out. Start at the top. That's good. And then that's going to meet down here, but kind of like an S line. So it's going to curve back first, and then big curve out. Awesome. All right, we're going to do one more thing just because we're going to give our mermaid big flowy hair. But if you want short hair on your mermaid, you can leave it short. But we're going to start over here, right where we left off. And we're going to kind of imagine this is going to come down and right back into our tail. Whoosh. And then on the other side, we're going to do a similar line. It's going to start here, curve in, and then back out like that. Whoosh. Oh, I love it. All right. And then we are going to add maybe a couple lines here to make that look more like a fin. You could put jewelry on there. You could do a seashell on the shirt. You could be as creative as you want to. And we'd love to see your work. If you guys want to comment, if you did the drawing, you can contact us at contactkidsdraw@gmail.com. And we're going to go ahead and color it in. You adding a seashell to yours? Awesome idea. All right, a snail shell. All right, so we're going to color them in.
Yeah.
All right, so here we are. Hopefully you had a chance to color them along. I really like how you did the rainbow color hair. What made you think to do rainbow for the hair?
I don't know. I just really like rainbows.
Yeah, rainbows are awesome. And your shell turned out really cool too. Yeah. Well, guys, I hope that you had a great time following along with us. A couple tricks that we did were we put a little bit of dark color in with a marker, and then we went over top of it with a colored pencil here or with a marker up here. And remember, when you're doing a rainbow, that it's a pattern, isn't it?
Yeah.
What colors, what do they go in? What order do they go in?
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple.
That's right. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. All right. Well, thanks for drawing with us. And hopefully we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.